Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're at your other favorite spot, the ocean. So me, Larry came back. He had a little vacay real quick, so we're gonna be on the water. We're gonna go halibut fishing again. Right, Larry, you ready?
I'm ready, bro.
He got all his stuff. He got bait, he got weights, he got a life jacket, he got a beer, everything. So we're gonna launch right here off the boat dock. You guys probably know where this is at. So go backward. I'll help you pull out your tire. And then, oh yeah, that part. If you guys want to see my kayak setup again, it actually weighs a lot more than it did. Maybe because my crate or the stuff I'm hauling right now. And this is the Mirage 180 kick-up drive. This is a new invention. Larry got us some bait. We're set. Got my catch board. I feel it might be some good luck on that one. And my GoPro, I got the SD card, but the battery is half. All right, let's go backwards. We're gonna launch Larry in, and I'll launch mine in. Because we gotta get the wheels off. That's the one part that's kind of hard if you're doing it by yourself. All right, so I'm gonna help Larry quick pull up his tire. Here, I'll get in the water, bro.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah, mine's not wet-proof. Alright guys, welcome back. So we just finally launched in the water. I know I said welcome back a few times already. So you see, I got my gear all set up. Got my rod. I'm gonna try this today. And then also I got the sliding, you can see it, flasher on one and sliding ball. And then right now we're just making it up.
Type swing right.
And there's Larry in his lucky flip-flops. All right. So we're gonna be here. We're going out. Structure looks crazy. We out, guys. We're gonna take a ride and go in there. We'll try this with this on top. Weird technique, but it works. Alright, check this out. That's our setup right here. We'll try this with a flasher. Got my weight, flasher, control out there with this. See what happens. See what I did. Kind of like a salmon setup. See what happens. You guys can see my rod bouncing from the bottom. That's not fish. You know when it's fish, it'll bend pretty far back there. You see it's connected to my H rail with the H mount Hobie rod holder. My other rig with the slider. We're gonna try the hook snell knot and try it out with some herring. But for now, we're just gonna keep trolling. We had some people said that they hooked up. Larry's behind me right there. You guys can see. He's kayaking right now. This is why I need the boomstick, so I can get different angles for you guys to see the view of where we're fishing at. You can see, nice and calm. So we're gonna keep trying. Hopefully, wish us luck, guys. We catch some fish. Larry just got hooked up real quick. Boom. There you go, Larry.
Yep.
See your fish right there.
Jeez. I'm gonna get my
There you go. Larry just got his first release.
Let's go.
Larry got a fish on. Larry didn't skunk today.
Short. 21.
All right, all right. I know it's a freaking stingray because it's freaking flying.
Hey, Larry, you need help? You need gas?
Fucking leopard shark. That is big. Alright guys, I just hooked up on big old fish, but it's not a keeper.
Big bitch.
Ooh, it's a leopard shark, man.
I think
Big.
it's 24.
Look at this. Ready? My flasher. There it is. Boom. Next to my
Not
kayak.
going home empty-handed, that's for sure.
Thing's huge, man. I was just hanging out and decided to hit my lure. See the side of my beer. Yeah, I don't want to pick him up. I look too crazy right now, man. Jeez. Big old fish. how big he is. Oh, I can't grab him, but he's going for a release. I'm done with him. Oh, what I'm gonna do with this guy. Come on, dude. Let go of the hook. So yes, yeah. So this is Cliff right here. The one coming up is my cousin, right here. So this is Cliff. Cliff just hooked up on some nice ones right here. That's some fatties, bro. That's a good catch, man.
The other one's just barely 22.
Barely 22. Nice, bro. I like it. Nice yak too, bro. That's a hookup right there.
That?
That's a nice yak.
Yeah, thank you. What's that?
I thought you were diehard because we got the same kind of boat.
Yeah, I know.
That's an automatic. Does that come with the yak, or did you install it yourself?
No, it comes with it.
It comes with it?
That's the old time. That's the
But the motor comes with it.
Yeah, the autopilot comes with it. That's the
Damn.
one that freaking all those guys have been getting for free.
Jeez.
Like diehard, and who else? I think Nick Fish got one.
More than
Is that
fishing.
free?
Yeah.
Oh,
They got
that's
it,
awesome.
They got it as a
Hey, this bait under us. Hey, I brought a cast net. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna try it.
Oh, I hope you catch something.
Yeah.
I ordered a cast net. I don't have one yet, but
I got it from Walmart.
hey, fish on, baby. Decent size. Yeah, there's a Hallie. I can tell. Larry, drift my way. Oh, it's keeper, baby. I know it. Oh, keeper, baby. I'm gonna hook this fucker up. Fucking look like 30. Fish on, baby! Woo! Hey! Oh! Fish on, baby! Look like a 32! Oh, fuck, bro. They're right here. First time using the gaff. Oh, he's on, baby. Whew. Look at that big boy. Damn. Man, bro, I was like, hey, man, my rod playing around with me or what? I looked up and it went down like baby hits, bro. Little baby hit.
Damn, dude, I just lost one.
You just lost one?
Yeah, it was second time, dude. It was on.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Let me see that, bro.
Fuck.
Let's go.
Good shit. Oh, man. First halibut keeper. Oh, hey. Thank you, Larry, for the bait, though. Shit. Hey, he got heavy. I gotta do my signature, fucking. Hey, I get to use the catch board you gave me, Mom David.
Nice. Was it, limit the, you filled up the catch board?
I'm about to find out right now.
Bomb cat bait before it pops on the boat. Those bunches, they kind of come back alive.
It's bigger than the catch board.
Yeah, the catch board is about 34, so you're looking at maybe 35.
Oh man, he's like shaking right now, bro. Fuck yes, bro. I shanked him. He ain't come back alive. I lied.
Hey, that's your first keeper Hallie, buddy. First keeper Hallie.
Oh man, first keeper ever.
And it's fucking oversized. Congrats, man. Congrats.
Thank you, man.
Congrats, brother. Congrats.
Thank you. Whew. Hey, I just got my first California halibut ever in my life, and it's a keeper. Thank God, thank everybody, thank Larry for the bait. My David taking us out here. Look at this. Oh, he gonna get slime on me today, bro. He's big, bigger than the catch board, bro. This is big. Oh, jeez, I had to shank him a couple times. He was coming alive. He's still breathing. Oh man, look at that. They out here, boys. Look at that mouth. First time using my gaff. Everything with the line set up. Look at that tail. All right, baby. Jeez. Blood on deck.
Hashtag bloody deck. Bloody deck.
All right, so you guys, if you believe me, I got my halibut, first time ever, and it's huge. And you want to see how big it is, man? It's bigger than my catch board, like for real, for real. Look at this. You ready? I'm just scared he gonna jump around. Like this. Going on my catch board. Going on the catch board. Look at that. Jeez. Oh man. He's on, man.
You on, Will?
Nice.
Come on, Will.
Beautiful.
Third time the charm, Will. Third time the charm.
Beautiful fish, bro. Oh man, this is nice. Who would have thought? My GoPro working on fish finder.
We're over here, man. It's the hot part right here.
Fish on again?
What the hell?
Yo, I got 2 fish on, bro.
What the hell? I'm coming, dude. I'm coming.
Oh, 2 Hallie, bro. Hey, double up, double up. Just kidding, son. It's a leopard shark. Hey, but double up as in, I got one on the boat and one on the pole.
What, you got 2 keepers?
No, that one was a leopard shark. Leopard shark, son.
Oh, okay. Wait, so, I mean, your first halibut, you just got that halibut? You got a second halibut?
No, just one.
Oh, I think you got a second halibut. How big is yours, Will? There's like, 1/4 inches. What? Aw, dang.
There, there, boys. Ain't going nowhere. You guys don't even know. I thought I had a double up, second rod on my halibut, but it was a leopard shark. Check this out. Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There he goes, ladies and gents. That's what you call keeper. First on the board ever in my life. I'm glad that it happened. Glad it happened today. I'm not doing nothing but drifting, just sitting here. I was slowly trying to go back, see my cousin what he hooked up on, and bam, I just see my rod bouncing, and I decided to like look at it, let it sit. Don't set the hook or anything, just let it eat it. Next thing you know, it bounced harder and harder. I felt those shakes, man. I felt those shakes. All I looked at it, it was just bouncing. I said, bow, bow, just a little bit. Next thing you know, hooked up. All right. Oh, I'm so excited, man. Looking at the arches. I also changed my, you can see, it looks a little bit different. I changed my, the layout, hide my screen so I can see more. I see all this jumping. I seen a lot of activity at the bottom. They're just big humps, so I just stayed around it. Next thing you know, that's when I hooked up. Nice, man, nice. So I'll show you again. You see these red lumps like this sitting at the bottom, just hanging out. That gotta be the halibut. These gotta be like sharks or stripers, because I just caught a leopard shark, and that gotta be one of them. You hungry?
Huh?
You hungry?
A little bit.
Sandwich? Here, let me go to the other side. I did that earlier until the damn shark hooked up my line. All right, special delivery.
Oh, thank you, son.
Did you have anything to drink or no?
I got water in there. Thank you.
Ah.
Yeah, special delivery. Special delivery.
So we got that sandwich.
That. I left the house super early this morning and didn't pack it.
You want goldfish?
No,
At least I caught fish. Goldfish. All right, guys. I just hooked up on another one, 15-incher. It was kind of by accident. Couldn't really get the. Well, this is 21 and a quarter. Just about a little short. Watch him go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let him go. He's going down. He's good. Alright guys, it is 11:30 and out of nowhere the wind just said boop. Y'all gotta leave. Y'all got the fish. You gotta go. So yeah, you wanna see what it looks like out here. We're all trying to head back. Larry got his keeper. I got my keeper. So from last time it was David and Will. They both got one keeper each. Now it's me and Larry that we came last time. Didn't get nothing. Now we got one keeper each. Sheesh. See how it look like the swells. No swells now, but the wind picking up. This is the bay. So when it's like this, I always come in before 1 o'clock or 11, because once it starts picking up, it's very, very scary out here. Look at that. Got my boat bloody and wet. Bloody on deck. I got for real. Look at that blood right there too. I clean this deck. Like David's on. Let's see if we catch him real quick.
I gotta bring a fish.
I think it's shaker wing.
Hey, your kayak doing willies, bro. Your kayak doing willies. Oh, she okay. We gotta get out of here. I wanna go home, bro. Look at the speed on this one. all of us. That's Will right here. That's a fast kayak, man. He's not even trying so hard. Oh, jeez! He's gone. Alright, we coming back in. It's Larry. Larry's gonna postpone real quick. Come on, David. Come on, David's legs getting tired. My yak. That yak right there, the Mirage Revolution, they got speed on that thing. Especially this one. Sheesh.
Damn, this is like 5 gallons, bro. Hell of a-
Same, bro.
You want a feet of water? Huh? You want a feet of water?
Alright, so we come back. We just got back from the launch. Let's see everybody here. Woo. Look at this. Say boondock, no wheels. They gotta put wheels on that one. Wheels coming back. Where's the other kayak? Oh, it's right down there. Oh, Will got 2 kayaks. Will is strong, man. Oh, you half flew away. With this one. Alright. We just got back to the launch. I mean, the car. How was it, Larry? Where's your fish at?
Damn.
Woo. Larry got a keeper.
Yep. First keeper
Right
right
there.
up.
Oh yeah, he got it right there.
It's bigger than oceans.
And then mine sitting over there.
Ice real quick. Oh, he's already bled.
Yeah. I stabbed mine crazy, bro. Head stab, everything. There you go.
Ice.
Alright, this how you got to hold like this, bro.
No. Bring it forward. Yeah, bring it forward.
Close to the camera.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, that's huge.
There you go.
Now you see why my husband likes to come out like this.
There you go.
It got to be at least 15, like 10, 15
Was
pounds.
it 30?
30.
Yeah, that's good size, man. That's good size.
It's solid though.
He has to take everything out.
Look at the teeth.
Put it
Look at that.
Look at them
Catch the
chompers.
one in,
Straight
you catch the
chompers.
one in SoCal. It's a diamond.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it sounds like Alaska.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a diamond.
Those are
You can see
these are bay halibuts.
When I
When you catch the caliphate halibut,
Like
those are
Pacific,
straight up,
like
yeah.
Pacific
Straight
Ocean.
up like this.
Not too often. Yeah. Hey, but you see this part right here? I gaffed it straight to the brain. It was still alive.
You took all the chick meat out.
Yeah. But I shanked it with the knife.
No bonkers.
Now my husband's gonna go.
Oh
my
yeah,
God, I
yeah.
But it's too windy today.
That's where it's at, bro.
It's not
Where we at? Where we at?
We at Oyster Point, baby.
All right, guys.